Hi everyone, welcome back to my bathroom. I'm going to show you a morning skincare routine, but not a super straightforward one. Instead, I partnered up with ZIIP to show you how I use the ZIIP Halo in the morning time to get a lifted, glowing look to my skin. And I'm excited about this because I feel like people really don't take advantage of using their microcurrent, or in this case, a microcurrent and nanocurrent device to really give themselves a lifted look. I feel like people really save it for their nighttime routine, and I get it. You want to have that time to really spend on it, but this is so simple and easy to use. And I feel like you sometimes get the best benefit when you do it before you're about to start your day. Also, a side note, since I did partner with ZIIP, I got you a discount code. It's just ZIIP Susan, and you get 30% off of the gels, and you also get 20% off of all of the devices. All right, so I already have a nice clean face, and I went in with this from Peter Thomas Roth. It's their anti-aging cleansing gel. I really like this one because it has AHAs and BHAs in it. It's a really nice way to exfoliate your skin very gently. So now I want to go in with my device, but I have to use a conductive gel, and I'm going to show you which one I'm using. By the way, I just want to show you this. I actually travel around with both my ZIIP Halo, and I also have this from ZIIP in case I get any like zits while I'm on the go. I can use this, and that's for a whole other video if you guys want to know all about this device from ZIIP. But this little tiny bag, it's not that big. Like, look at my hand, and I have small hands, and this is the bag. And I've been using this gel, which is the ZIIP Electric Complex Conductive Gel. This is a really lightweight, highly conductive gel for microcurrent and for nanocurrent. It doesn't have any other additional benefits. I feel like it's pretty hydrating for the skin too, and it doesn't feel very heavy. If you do want to get other benefits though, they do have other gels that you can use. I just really like traveling with this one. It's really straightforward, and you guys know I have so many other ingredients that I have in my skincare routine, so this one works perfectly for me. If you're new to using the ZIIP device, they do have an app that you can use. I love using this app. I hardly use it anymore because I feel like I've got it down, because I truly just end up always using Melanie, who is the founder of the brand. I end up using her favorite routine, which is only 10 minutes. It's intensity 1, and it's a great intro to use on your face. And especially if you're just going to be using it in your morning skincare routine to get a lifted look for your day, then it's a perfect one to use. And once you get the hang of it, it's very, very simple. They do offer other treatments, and it's really cool because you can do like full facials. You can pick out the different times, like if you want the lift, which is only 4 minutes, or instant gratification, which is 6 minutes, or the all-inclusive. It's all really up to you on what you're trying to solve, but it makes it so easy because if you pick one of these, you hit start treatment, and it's connected to your ZIIP Halo, and it's really easy because then you just follow along with the instructions, and you can feel it actually as you're moving. Like, it kind of stops and does everything according to what the app is telling you to do. So it makes it really, really straightforward. I'm going to do the founder's favorite, but I have to prep my skin first. So let's go ahead and put the gel on. I'm just gonna do one side, and you can see how it like glides down my hand. It feels kind of like a light oil, and I feel like I don't need too much on my skin. So I'm just gonna put it right here to get started. I put it on my neck a little bit too, because I do use it on my neck as well. Okay, so I've got a little bit here. I might put some right here too. Okay, I'm ready. One thing I do want to tell you is that I kind of felt a little overwhelmed by this device. I don't know why, because I think in my mind, I'm like, oh, it's more than a microcurrent. It's a nanocurrent device, which means that it uses all the different electrical waves to give you the results that you want. And it can actually tackle lots of different skin issues, whether it's, about lifting, anti-aging, wrinkles, even things like acne. It can really help with that. So in my mind, it was very overwhelming, but I actually met with Melanie. She gave me one of her facials, showed me how to use it. It was so straightforward, and I was like, why was I ever so discouraged from using this? Because it's so simple to use and it's so easy to travel with. So I'm just going to press the power button right here. You can hear it. And then I'm going to go ahead and start my treatment. I want to tell you guys, I only did this side right here because I do want to show you a before and after of the lift, okay? So I just put it down onto my skin. You have to make sure both bulbs are there. Oh, did you hear it? So it initiated the treatment. And what I love most about this, especially when you're watching the founder's favorite, the whole point of this is not to get like a lymphatic drainage massage. You can just kind of move this along your face wherever you want to. And you can hear it. It starts to buzz every time you want to move it. It uses all of these different electrical currents to treat several different issues. For me, I'm looking for a more lifted look to my face, especially to start the day. So I'm going to continue doing this for a few more minutes, and then I'm going to show you just like how lifted I look afterwards. You're going to love it. I'm going to show you in like comparison to this. I especially love to show like the eyebrow area because that's where you tend to see like the biggest difference. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit more gel right here and do this area. I went ahead and put gel up here on my forehead too, so I can really treat the entire left side of my face. So like she was saying, this is nanocurrent. And what that basically means is it uses low-level electrical currents to really transform your skin. And I've been using it now for years, and I feel like I see such a difference, especially, by the way, when I use it consistently, meaning that I use it for at least like 3 to 4 times a week, because it's kind of like working out. Like the more you work out consistently, you see a change with your body. And then if you stop working out, you kind of see it start to lag a little bit more, like maybe your muscles don't feel as tight, that kind of thing. It's the same thing. The more you do it consistently, the more you see results. But I also really just love to use it, like I said, in the morning time, because it makes such a huge difference. I'm gonna hold it right here. Just kind of like let it go to work right here. All right, so now I wanna just show you. I'm gonna take a step back, and I actually wish I would have given you like a little before shot, because this is my side where my eyebrow is a little bit lower than this one. And now I actually feel like this eyebrow is like even. I'm looking at the arch, like even with this one. Before, that little arch is always like a little bit lower. And so when I focus on it like this, it just kind of lifts everything up. And then I feel like my brows are very, very even. This isn't something that I think is gonna last like for years and years and years. Obviously it starts to go back down, but I do feel like for the day, it's gonna keep it nice and lifted. And you saw how easy that was. Now I'm just gonna move on to the other side and finish doing that side. And I will move on to the rest of my skincare routine. So I went ahead and I finished up my routine. You can see, I feel like my skin looks really good and glowy. Also that gel is just so nice for the skin. So I'm gonna go wipe this off. I'm not gonna completely wash my face because I find this gel to be really nice for my dry skin. If you don't have dry skin, I would wash this off. But a reminder, I do have that discount code. It's ZIIP Susan. You'll get 20% off of the devices and 30% off of the gels. And it is so worth it. I love this device and I've been using it for years. Next up, because it is my morning skincare routine, I'm gonna go in with the Vitamin Complex Serum from my own brand, Naturium. You know, I love vitamin C in the morning time. It's really important to help free radical damage that you might encounter. It's also great to help boost the protection that you get from your sunscreen. And we know that that's very, very important. And that's mostly because it's fighting free radical damage. So I love to use this. I'm gonna bring it all the way down. And what I love most about this one is we do have the conjugated ascorbic acid. So it lives kind of in its own little formula. And so if you're a person who is sensitive to vitamin C, this is a really great one for you. And then we have a vitamin C derivative that's living in the overall formula. So you get this like double whammy when it comes to the antioxidant protection. But as you can see, my skin looks more glowy and lifted because we can put it in this formula that gives you more of a bouncy look to your skin. Next up, my skin's feeling a little bit dry from traveling. I think the weather's been changing. It's getting colder in a lot of the places that I've been. So I'm gonna go in with something that's a little bit more hydrating. This is from Rhode. It's their glazing milk. I really like this. It has ceramides in it. Some people say that they think it's like a little bit thick. I don't find it to be thick at all, but you know, I'm a dry skin girly. I feel like it's really, really hydrating. And again, I want this like lifted, hydrated look to my skin because I want to glow. This is what I'm going for. I feel like whenever I use that ZIIP device in the morning, I truly am just like lifted. Like look at my cheekbones, like my cheeks are popping. I don't really know how else to explain it, but this is how I feel and it makes me just feel ready for the day. Next up, going in with Barrier Bounce from my brand. This is a really great hydrating / moisturizing product. It's a little bit of a hybrid. It has squalane, urea, and a ceramide complex. So again, we're just going for that super hydrated, moisturized look. I love this in the morning time also. I feel like it's best for dry skin girlies, but because it has this beautiful texture, you get this glowy look to your skin. Like this is truly a glass skin finish. I love this product so much. You can use it as a moisturizer, which is what I'm gonna do today because I'm also gonna go in with sunscreen. I'm also in Miami, so I don't need a thick moisturizer, but you can put this on before moisturizer, you can put it on after moisturizer. It's really up to you. I don't want you to really think too hard about how you use this product. Look at that glow. Am I looking glowy and lifted? That's the whole point, and I love it. All right, before I put on sunscreen, because I have all of this glowiness happening, I do want it to dry down a little bit. And I think this is a perfect time to go in with these from 111 Skin. My fingers are super slippery. This is the Cryo Depuffing Eye Mask. They're just eye masks that I'm gonna put on. Again, if I want that lifted look to my skin in the morning time, I always use eye masks like this, the ones that are more of like that hydrogel material. That way it can just lock everything in around my eyes, and then my makeup goes on so much smoother. All right, got it open. That hardly ever happens to me where my fingers are too slippery, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put these on really quickly. Super simple. I like for the thicker end to be at the side of my eyes. So I'm gonna go like that. Oh, it feels so good. So nice and cooling. I'm gonna let these sit for about 10 minutes and then I'll take them off and I'll put my sunscreen on and I'll be ready for the day. All right, it has been about 10 minutes. I've let this dry down a little bit. I'm gonna take these off. I hate taking these off. I love wearing my eye masks, but I'm a little bit more hydrated. I'm a little bit more lifted. And now it is important to use a sunscreen. This is from OneSkin. It's their OS1 Face SPF. This is the tinted mineral version. I tend to not love mineral sunscreens, but I really love this one. It is SPF 30 plus. You know, I love an SPF 50 plus mostly, but I find this one to be really comfortable and I'm gonna be inside most of the day. So I'm okay with the SPF 30. Plus it's so wearable. I want you to see that texture. It has a peptide in it that fights senescent cells. And I just really like that concept a lot. So I wanted to show you this. Look at how beautiful this goes on. They have 3 different tints. This one is my favorite. I think this is like the original tint. Look at how pretty, right? Sunscreen is so important. Having really beautiful looking skin is also important, and it's just so nice. I hope they make a SPF 50 version of this because it is great. And I don't know too many sunscreens that have peptides in them, not like anti-aging peptides. I'm gonna put the rest on and I'll be right back. I have all my sunscreen on. I did 2 layers of it just to make sure I had enough. You can see my skin still looks super glowy. I'm gonna go in with Glow lip balm really quick because I always have to have some lip balm. And then that's it. That is my lifted, glowing skincare routine. And I really do, you guys, if you're looking for a microcurrent device, switch up, go to nanocurrent and get a ZIIP Halo because it is so easy. And I love traveling with it. I take it everywhere with me. It's so easy. Try that out. Try this skincare routine out. Let me know if you have any questions about the products that I was using, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.